The biggest mistake beginners make isn't checking the weather, it's trusting the word moderate on hiking apps without checking the elevation profile. Ignore the total distance for a moment. The real difficulty metric is elevation gain relative to distance. A 3-mile hike with 1,000 feet of climbing is physically demanding, while 3 flat miles is a walk in the park. For your very first hike, we need to set a strict no-regrets limit. Cap your stats here: under 4 miles round trip and less than 500 feet of total elevation gain. This ensures you have energy reserves if you get lost or the weather turns. Speaking of route types, always pick an out-and-back trail rather than a loop for your first few trips. On a loop, you are often committed to the full distance once you pass the halfway point. If you choose an out-and-back route, you control the abort mission button. If you get tired, run out of water, or feel uneasy, you simply turn around. There is no shame in turning back. The mountain will be there next week. Next, beginners often drastically underestimate how long a hike takes. You cannot walk at your sidewalk pace. Use this modified rule to estimate your actual time on trail. When reading reviews on apps like All Trails, ignore the 5-star photos. Sort by recent to check for current hazards. You are looking for keywords like muddy, washed out, bears, or closed parking. Finally, don't seek solitude yet. Pick a popular, well-marked trail. If you twist an ankle or get confused at a junction, having other hikers nearby is your best safety net until you build navigation skills. Before you leave the car, make the final go/no-go decision. Do you have a downloaded map? Is your phone charged? Does someone know where you are? If you can't check these boxes, pick a different trail or go get coffee instead. Start short, finish safe, and hike your own hike.